A town nearby was having a neighborhood garage sale, so we checked that out. Yeah, take a look at this.
Back red bit it rocks.
And there is 2 more down the road.
Is there? Okay.
So
Cool.
when you've gone through this, there's one more on this side of the road, 2 driveways down, and then at the bottom of the hill, there's another one on the right.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, where am I starting? Cool. I didn't like that one too much.
My Amazon.
So he said the signs were still up there.
Yes. He's screwing in, so if it were in the other, he would have killed out.
Well, that one of mine, you know, is just stuck in the ground.
Okay.
What are those?
Michael Jackson cards. The cards with Michael Jackson on them.
Thank you.
Not called John Lennon cards because they don't have John Lennon on them. They're called Michael Jackson cards because they have Michael Jackson on them.
Yeah, thank you. Smarty pants. Oh, that's tempting. We got a new puppy at home that just destroys
Oh,
toys.
know what that's all about? Yes.
So we just buy disposable plush toys for it to rip
Sure.
up.
Did you have to pay much for him?
It's a Shih Tzu and Pug and Rat Terrier mix.
Oh, wow, okay.
He's a cute little guy.
Oh,
With all that hair, wouldn't look very good with all the-
oh, okay, that would be cute.
Yeah.
Excellent. Oh,
The real cute dogs or puppies with long hair, we have burdocks and everything else.
Oh,
out here in the
yeah, right.
country. That would be pretty sad. I got dog toys and dog dishes and everything around here somewhere.
Hey. Goodness.
I don't know.
It's a Gremlin's lunchbox over here, Marcy.
Oh, there it is.
I don't know if it fell off or not. There's no tag on this one. Do you know what?
Oh, probably fell off.
It's probably $5.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see what food happened to see, I never I ate whatever I got. Still that way. I eat a lot of things I do too.
No.
Yeah, he must have decided to stay in here. I let him get wet.
I don't know what I got recorded. I forgot to push the button.
I I'd rather sit in the house and have people give me the money to the window.
Yeah. There you go.
That's what we joked when we pulled up. Marcy said, maybe we can just pull up to the front door. And
Yeah.
Drive through.
Yeah.
That this year, because last year it snowed too.
Did it? Oh my. Yeah. Because we were out here last year too.
Yeah. I should be talking to him about going out there. I didn't actually do it. Who knows where he is? I mean, like, you got to tell him, you can be in the garden, you can be anywhere. Sure. So I bet he was watching TV. Probably having his second nap and eating it.
I'm looking for the old crank one.
In fact, either one of us, maybe it belongs to you.
Sure. Now, and just so I don't forget, there is 2 more garage sales down the road.
Yeah, I was down that
Oh,
way.
you came up from there, okay.
Just the one must be further yet then.
One's down pretty much to the bottom,
Oh,
and it's on the other side of the road.
It's a new house, they got a lot of nice stuff. They got-
hey, so they got an appointment to pick
Oh,
up stuff.
no,
Yeah.
that's not good.
So I had to make a side.
It's hard, it's his house.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, the mileage doesn't say that.
he went to church a lot.
Yeah, I can't, he went to church in California.
When he died, he gave his cards. I gotta get tags off this.
Okay, I'll take the
I got
taste off.
everything added so far, you're at 675,
Okay.
so you're doing okay.
Okay, good.
Okay, here. If you bought everything, we close the doors and we leave. Yeah, real good deal.
We need a bigger truck.
You could make more trips. You don't live that far.
That's true.
Ooh, yeah.
You gonna read it or buy it? Hey, girls. Hello. Hi. Oh, it's warm in here. Oh, look at you going right to Indiana Jones. And Star Wars. Do you know anything about those games?
Plants vs. Zombies, no.
There's a lot of. I don't really either.
Oh yeah, I forget Revenge of the Sith was never released on VHS.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, Jimmy was packing her things. Ended up, well, with a handle on a lantern. She lost some Christmas stuff. He's like, died or things. I didn't even see that, and I figured everybody got basement last night. Like, it was raining so hard, it looked like a white wall being passed. And all of a sudden, just branches and stuff were just flying.
I'm gonna have your mom look at these.
And VHSs were discontinued like 2003, 2004, something like that.
I don't even know.
Same year Laserdisc.
How about a Star Wars shirt?
Ooh, that'd be cool.
There's lots of that stuff.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah.
How about this shirt?
Ooh, that's cool. Miles Morales.
Hello.
And
Yeah.
we can get the next door. Ooh,
Okay.
this looks fun. Oh, it's a VCR.
That is so cool. Capes. Halloween capes. Yeah, you need that. Then we can shave your head.
Yeah, next time you cut my hair, I'll just put this on.
What?
That looks like his hair.
I know. How much are the pins?
I think she had those over there, $1.
Okay.
Yep, so all those and then everything on this table is $1.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
How much are the little girl dresses?
25 cents. That's if it does not have a tag on it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, here, I'll just say that.
No, I didn't say anything. There's some doll dresses down there. It's still trying to be spring here in Wisconsin. Last night we had a thunderstorm complete with snow. Kind of a unique thing that doesn't happen too often. This morning there were a couple auction options, but they were both pretty far away, and a town nearby was having a neighborhood garage sale, so we checked that out. It wasn't a huge haul, but here's what we got. I just thought this was cute. And it really wasn't until I got it home that I remembered what it was, because I did think something looked familiar. And it's from a toy, like a shaved ice toy from when I was a kid. You can make your own snow cones. Michael Jackson trading cards. These are from 1984. They look like they're actually in really good condition. And I don't know if any of these individual ones are worth something, or if I'll just sell them as a lot, but that's interesting. I've kind of been a sucker for old playing cards, and this is just I don't know, a cool looking set. People like horses. A couple different hats. There's a Super Bowl hat for the Packers from the '96 season in New Orleans. This is from 1984. State Fair in Wisconsin. Pork. But vintage hats that have the short brims and the palms often sell pretty well. A pair of brand new Master Locks. It was like $1, so I figured that was worth grabbing. I don't think I paid more than $1 for anything. Bag of toys. There's a Captain Jack Sparrow in there. That one might be like a Dragon Ball Z or something. This one, I have no idea what this is. It's kind of weird. Maybe it's like a wrestler. It does say Jack's Pacific. Jack's Pacific. And it's from 1996. So I'm guessing that's a professional wrestler. And this might be the find of the day. He's beat up, but it's very heavy, thick plastic. It's a Dragon Ball Z character. Meta something. And yeah, these resell pretty well, even though he's missing his tail in the stand. That's about it. I didn't pay more than $1 for any of them. And again, this isn't going to make me rich today, but We had a fun day. We were only out a couple hours and found some goodies. Thanks for stopping by. Bye. They're duck with the greater butt duck.
I'll go grab my dog and bring him back over.
Someone was having a neighborhood. Me and Charlie are shopping close.
You're shopping clothes?
I knew you'd
I feel
laugh.
like I'm really spoiling home.
Auction options. Auction options. Oh. Oh. Drop your trading cards right in the water. It's important to wash your trading cards. Make sure they're clean.